Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Discovery Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Discovery Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to online.discovery.bank. Then click to login from the top right corner. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. To check your password, you can click to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials correctly, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Discovery Bank account. If you have forgot your username or password, you can click to forgot username or forgot password to get help. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.